One of the challenges of being on the road for so long is to figure out what it is you're going to make. Good morning, everybody. Busy Dad's out for a bike ride this morning in Moab. I stole the camera because I wanted to show you, because of the apricots that we picked at Capitol Reef, I stuck all this in my Vitamix blender and I have this awesome apricot puree. Anyway, so we're going to make pancakes. Hopefully everybody will like them. Let's see how this goes. Had to change a lot of our eating based on allergies and sensitivities. Based on that, we pack a lot of our own food. A lot of the recipes are definitely ones that we just eat at home anyway. That's gonna make like a ton of pancakes. But if you make a ton one morning, then the next morning you just stuff one in a Ziploc bag and take it hiking with you. I like to put butter on my cast iron skillet. Gets it nice and hot, nice and crispy. And yes, that pancake does take up the entire pan. So everybody gets one big pancake. Here we have the finished product. One apricot pancake on paper plates because the kids still need to do the dishes. They're over here waiting for them. So when they get out of bed, they get to do dishes. It's fair is fair. Alright, so the verdict is on the apricot pancakes. Good. So at least one thumbs up from the taste testers. So one box mix plus about 4 cups of apricots and a little bit of water that I put in. We got 6 single serve size pancakes. Breakfast for another couple days. Alright, I stole the camera again. And I didn't want to do this. I didn't want to talk about any of this. But here we are. We've arrived at this point. Been on the road now for 3 weeks. I'm going to talk dirty. The laundry situation. We also have various things on the floor. It is $2 a wash and $1.75 to dry. I'm going to try to make that pile over there go maybe into 2 washers. This is the laundry here at Archview Campground. Pretty typical sized washers. Well, they say they are commercial. You know, it's not as big as the one you're going to have at home. Probably 2/3 of that could fit in here and still get a good wash. I would say go to the bank and get 2 rolls of quarters if you're going on a big trip like this, because if any place has a laundry, it's going to be right around $2, maybe $2.50 to do a load in the washer. And then over here at the dryer, you'll see that it is $1.75 to do the drying. We have a family of 4. For a 4-week trip like this, we've already done laundry once, and so at the previous campground, it cost me $9 to do 3 loads of wash and then shove everything into a big commercial dryer and get it mostly dry. Anything that you can bring extra, we brought extra sets of sheets, so we didn't have to wash them as often. Let's see how this wash here goes. For $2 a swipe. All right, make sure you keep that door closed. I forgot the detergent. Well, here we go. I got my detergent in, I got my laundry in, and the card swipe thing does not work. So now I'll be going back to the motorhome to go back to the camp office to get quarters. That's how it goes. It's dirty. I had 3 washerfuls of laundry. The credit card scanner did not work. So I recommend, like had I been planning, 2 rolls of quarters. Got the dryer here. Ta-da! For 45 minutes, everything came out pretty dry. Clothes were mostly dry. for $1.75. But I set up the drying rack here in the living room. I really was putting 3 loads into one dryer, so it was probably exceeding the dry. And I had it on medium because I just threw everything in there together. So had I had it on high for 45 minutes, probably everything would have been totally dry. Came out a little bit wrinkly, but we're on vacation, so I'm not worried about it. But there you have it. So that's the dirty side of camping. Just thought I'd share my experiences with you. I'm gonna get my detergent and then I'm gonna start the washing machine. Yeah, you can add that to the end. Nice blooper. Bring your detergent.